Hello, let's start the MCQ on family planning. First question is the objectives of family planning is options are option A to regulate the intervals between pregnancies, option B to avoid unwanted births, option C to bring about wanted births, option D all of the above. So here the correct option is option D all of the above. Next question number 2. The term eligible couple refers to a currently options are option A married couple, option B unmarried couple, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. So here the correct option is option A married couple. So here in the married couple, the woman is in the reproductive age group of 15 to 44 years. Next question number 3. The ideal contraceptive is defined as one which is free from options are option A easily available and cheap, option B side effects, option C safe, option D all of the above. So here the correct option is option D all of the above. Next question number 4. The various contraceptive methods may be broadly divided into options are option A spacing, option B terminal, option C both A and B, option D reversible. So here the correct option is option C both A and B. That means the various contraceptive methods is divided broadly into two groups, that is spacing and terminal method. Next question number 5. What steps are you going to follow before the insertion of the IUCDs? IUCDs full form is intrauterine contraceptive device. Okay, as for example, Coparty. So options are option A thorough general examination, option B thorough pelvic examination, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. So here the correct option is option C both A and B. Next question number 6. What is the best time for IUCDs insertion? Options are option A between 3 and 7 days of menstrual cycle, option B between 3 and 5 days of menstrual cycle, option C after 7 days of menstrual cycle, option D before 7 days of menstrual cycle. So here the correct option is option A between 3 and 7 days of menstrual cycle. So next question number 7. Side effects of IUCDs insertion may include options are option A backache, option B spotting, option C abdominal pain, option D all of the above. So here the correct option is option D all of the above. Next question number 8. After doing a clean abortion, when the IUCDs can be inserted? Options are option A 1 to 2 weeks, option B within 1 week, option C after 2 weeks, option D before menses. So here the correct option is option A 1 to 2 weeks. So next question number 9. Contraindications for IUCDs insertion. Options are option A lactational amenorrhea, option B pregnancy, option C obesity, option D hypertension. So here the correct option is option B pregnancy. Not only pregnancy, some other points are also there, that are cervical cancer, STD, abnormal vaginal bleeding, genital cancer. STD means sexually transmitted disease. Okay, if these conditions are there with the woman, then we cannot insert the IUCDs. Next question number 10. Significant signs for the removal of IUCDs. Options are option A severe bleeding, option B severe pain, option C infection, option D all of the above. So here the correct option is option D all of the above. Next question number 11. What types of hormones are contained in oral contraceptives? Options are option A estrogen, option B progesterone, option C oxytocin, option D both A and B. So here the correct option is option D both A and B. Next question number 12. How many oral contraceptive pills are there in one packet of oral pills? Options are option A 21 pills, option B 28 pills, option C 30 pills, option D none of the above. So here the correct option is option A 21 pills. But in one packet of oral pills there contain total 28 pills. Among them 21 pills are contraceptive and 7 are iron tablets. Next question number 13. If a woman forget to take the contraceptive pill on a particular day, what she should do? Options are option A, she should take as soon as possible. Option B, or two pills the next day. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So here the correct option is option C, both A and B. Next question number 14. When sterilization is performed 1 to 3 days after delivery, it is known as options are option A postpartum sterilization, option B female sterilization, option C interval sterilization, option D none of the above. So here the correct option is option A postpartum sterilization. Now let us do the summary of all the questions. First, family planning's objectives. Objectives are to regulate the intervals between pregnancies, to avoid unwanted births, to bring about wanted births. And also we become to know that currently married couples are known as eligible couples, and what is known as ideal contraceptive methods if it is easily available and safe, if there is no side effects, if it is safe, that is known as ideal contraceptive. And also we become to know contraceptive methods are divided broadly into two groups, that are spacing and terminal method. In spacing method, what we can do, we can bring wanted birth and we can avoid unwanted birth. In terminal method, we can do the permanent method, that is sterilization, female sterilization and male sterilization. If it is female sterilization, it is known as tubectomy. If it is male sterilization, then it is known as vasectomy. Okay, and we also become to know that before inserting IUCDs means intrauterine contraceptive devices. Before inserting that, we have to do thorough general and pelvic examination of the woman. Okay, and best time for IUCDs insertion is between 3 and 7 days of menstrual cycle. IUCDs side effects are backache, spotting, abdominal pain. And also, if the woman is pregnant or if there are any cancer on the cervix or vagina or infection, in that condition we cannot insert the IUCDs to the woman. And if there is severe bleeding, severe pain or infection, then we have to remove the IUCDs. And also we become to know that in one packet of oral pills, there contain total 28 pills. Among them, 21 are contraceptive and 7 are iron pills. Okay, if the woman forget to take the pill in a particular time, she should take the pill as soon as possible, or she can take 2 pills the next day. If the sterilization, that is tubectomy, is performed 1 to 2 days after the delivery, it is known as postpartum sterilization. Thank you.